Hello, it's me again. Thursday, May 30th. I'm going to try to get that noisy lifter fixed up here. Still haven't seen my new clutch. Hopefully it shows up soon, although my garage is still a disaster. So anyway, something to do. Beautiful day here in Minneapolis. Got my special plug wrench because once you put these headers on your car, you are forever gonna battle plug removal. I got it down, so it's not so bad. All right, now we need to get it up on top dead cylinder for number one. And we're gonna go back to the basics, go back to no setting, and then readjust everything. This is number one. It actually almost looks like it's on the top dead center, but we're gonna need a 1/2-inch drive wrench for the crankshaft. This one, need a short extension, and the socket size is 15/16. All right. Okay, so take your glove off. This is what I do anyways. Stick my finger in the spark plug hole and wait for pressure to come, and then I don't know if you can see that down in there. I'm taking the socket and I'm putting it on the bolt, the nut, the bolt head on the end of the crankshaft. Okay, and then you just slowly do this because, okay, so we're coming up on the top here. It's on pressure right now. Okay. All right, it is right on the top. Okay, I went too far. Take her back down. See if I can feel that so I know where I'm at the right spot here. All right. Okay. Okay. So that's going back down. All right, we're going to come back up again. All right, here we go. All right, that's top right there. So now I need my handy dandy wrench. .5/8 socket. I think that's 5/8. 5/8. All right. All right, so we're gonna loosen these up all the way and start over. Okay, the way I was taught was to try to turn these while you're tightening it down. Okay. Okay. So that one's done. And then you go one full turn. Okay. And then this one is the same. Okay. Then one full turn. Okay. So those are done. All right. Okay. All right. 2. I think 6 is next, but we'll check just to make sure. You'd think I'd have this memorized by now, but I don't. Okay, that's it right there. Okay. Okay, let's see. Both of these are loose already. They're not even close. That might have been my problem here. Well, it's better than it was. I still don't know why it's knocking, but we got to get it out on the road. That's all there is to it. Thanks. Next video will probably be the clutch install. Have a good day.